In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up on Indrive as a passenger. So to say, this video is only just about the Indrive account sign up. So if you use Android phone, come here on Play Store and tap on it and open, and you can see right here Indrive Taxi Right platform. So if you use iPhone, you can also go to your app stores and search for Indrive and you will see it. Then install the app. If you install the app, then tap and open the app. If you tap and open the app, it looks like this. You can see here fair deal Indrive. So it loads and brings you into this page, and there are two ways you can sign up. You can see either to continue with your Google, which is your Gmail that has been logged in or sign up on your phone, or to continue with your phone number. So in this video, I will continue with phone number. So I'll come here and tap on this continue with phone number. So on this page, they will say put your phone number. So I'll come here and put my phone number. So if you put your phone number, just come and tap on this next. It loads, and right now you can see that we sent your code via Telegram. You can see they just sent me a code here. You can see it right through my Telegram. That's the code. So I can come here and then put the code. I can look for the code and put it right here. There's the code right here. So I'll copy it and put here. If I put it, it proceeds to the next page. You can see on this page here, they're asking if I should enable the passkey. For now, I will skip it. You can do it later. I'll tap on this skip here. And on this pop-up, you can see allow Indrive to access this device's location. Just tap here. It's turning on device location for the app. And right here, now on the Indrive here, they will show you either you want to sign up as a passenger or as a driver. If you're signing up as a passenger, you tap here on this passenger to proceed, and if you want to sign up as a driver, you will tap here on this driver to proceed. But on this video, I will sign up as passenger, so I'll tap on this passenger, and right there they will ask you to put your name. So I can come here and put my name. Okay, if I put my name, then I'll tap on this next. So it will process after putting your name, and then it brings you to the app interface, and you can see right now I've signed up on Indrive as a passenger. So my account has been created. From here you can start requesting or you can start using the app, and in my next video I will show you how to request your first ride on Indrive. So that is it. That's how you can actually sign up or create an Indrive account for the first time. Thanks for watching, and bye.